Fresh, 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 yeah.
Elevators.
I'll wait for the next one. 3 days left to go. We are, well, I am not, but they are about to embark on the London Eye. And Ayla's looking very cute today with her little pigtails. Very awesome.
Jacket
And I'm sporting my completely bright red hair. Everyone keeps stopping on the other side of the camera because they think like we're taking pictures, but we're not. It's really funny. They keep like pausing and then they're like, do we go or not? Anyway.
Just like looking at us. Oops. Don't care. Oh, yeah. Not paying attention.
Prends les œufs là, pour qu'on sache qu'on est dedans. Prends les œufs. Comment je te prends un truc? Justement.
Hey everybody, we're at the top of the eye. Because I'm on top of the I can't help myself.
Ah non.
So, I'm really high up. It's foggy.
We're going to go to the wax museum
Là on est au point
and
de
the London Dungeon.
Very good. Dungeon, that's my kind of stuff.
Yeah.
But it's really foggy out, but it's still absolutely beautiful. We're trying to see if we can see our hotel from here. We can't yet. Well, it's easy.
Lui c'est fou. Non, là on est là c'est fou. Non, ça y est, c'est eux.
For you, Mom.
It's the London Eye. I am a very bad egg. What does the piggy say? Oh, kisses! Tyler, give Amber a kiss.
Give kisses. Give Amber a kiss.
Oh, nicely. Well done.
Oh my God.
Rawr, and I just gave away all my extra batteries as well.
Why do you keep putting it between your legs? Ew.